Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll see what all the feature Moodle has included in the Moodle 5.2. Okay, so as you already know, Moodle has released its newer version and the latest version is 5.2 now. So we see here lots of improvement on top of whatever we already have, but AI will catch your attention here. You see the AI new feature and the improvement and the new AI provider plugin that is AWS Bedrocks and new AI provider plugin Gemini. So these two provider newly have been added with the 5.2. So Gemini integration and update of the community plugin to core. So this will be the part of your core plugin. Now, what is AWS Bedrock? So if you search over the web, you'll find so AWS Bedrocks is a fully managed AWS services. So let me make a bit larger screen here. So fully managed AWS services that provide a single API to access high performance foundation model. So that means with a single endpoint, we'll have access to these models like Anthropics, Meta AI, Mistral, Quera, and Amazon, alongside specialized tools to build generative AI applications securely. Okay, so the more the focus will have around the model selections, so number of model it will be coming up with. Okay, so you see here it's a cloud in case of Anthropic, the Llama, the Mistral command, and Amazon Titan. Security will be on the top priority for this one, and the custom kind of customization it will support fine tuning model with your own data and creating RAG workflow using the knowledge base from the Amazon Bedrocks. So agents. So create autonomous agents that execute multi-step tasks such as managing travel booking or handling customers. Then how this will be working in case of the LMS context. So I have not tried so far, but I am about to try it, and I will also be sharing my note, whatever I have experience using this particular a tool. So I'll be sharing. So maybe in case of the LMS, it may be like doing the like course creation, enrollment, and creating a content around that. So we'll look into that later on. Okay, so these are the feature we'll have with the use of the AWS Bedrocks. Okay, so what is the advantage? First, we'll find the multi-model here. Then it will be coming up more secure and the privacy settings will have. Then customization. So fine tuning models with your own data and creating RAG workflow using the knowledge base for Amazon Bedrock. So these are the benefit you will have with the model. Now you can take. Same we have here. If I come to the description of this particular topic of AWS Bedrocks, how it look like, let me come to that. So once you'll have here, you'll be here, you'll find the all the conversation I have gone so far from the creation of this particular ticket to whatever it has been fixed so far. So everything will find the communication, what all will have here. So you can look into the details. So I will look into this one the later because today it has released. So I will keep posting you and okay, so you see here, so this is how it will look like if I come under this one. So test screen, you'll find like this. Okay, so you'll have the settings, and based on that setting, you'll have another settings. So kind of thing you'll have. So you can. So that means you'll have the more command around the AI and the AI agents. Okay, so and if I come to next thing, the plugin provider, we'll have here the new AI provider that is the Gemini one. So integration and the educator, the community plugin to. So if I come under this particular ticket, will you can also see the all the conversation one. and the chain, complete chain, you can see in case you want to go into the detail. So later on I will go through that, and I will create a video around that, and I will keep post here. Okay, so how you can go under Saturn registration, then general will find the AI, then AI provider. So to create a new AI provider, then you will have to put the Gemini details, and kind of thing will have the settings. Clear? So like, and his screen is also attached here, so you can have a look once. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and you see the kind of priority Moodle has now shifted from being stick into the just the elements kind of thing, like the learning component. They have started exploring on the AI. Okay, so this is all from this video. I will keep posting you with the another updates around what all the other Moodle have updated in the 5.2. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.